Welcome back. In today's session, we're going to tackle question 48. Sales analysis by day of the week. Our goal is to analyze sales data and figure out how many units in each category were ordered on each day of the week, specifically for the month of January last year. By the end, you'll see two SQL solutions, one using case with aggregation and another using pivot. Both give us the same result, but with slightly different approaches. Let's start with the problem setup. We're working with two tables, orders and products. The orders table contains information about each order, including product number, part number, order date, and shipped quantity, etc. Each row here represents one sales transaction. The products table contains product details, including product number, part number, category, etc. A unique product is identified by the combination of product number and part number. Our task is, for January 2024, calculate how many units in each category were ordered on Sunday through Saturday, and return the result ordered by category. Here's what the result should look like. This table gives a clear day-by-day breakdown of sales for each product category. Now let's dive into the first solution, which uses a CTE with date, part, and case expressions. In the common table expression CTE, we convert order date into real SQL date. The cast logic reconstructs a full date string. Date part, weekday, extracts the weekday number. For example, 1 equals Sunday, 2 equals Monday, and so on. Join orders with products brings in the category. And the where clause filter for January 2024. In the main query, for each category, check if the day of week is 1 to 7. If true, add the shipped quantity. If null, add 0. This creates 7 separate columns, 1 per weekday. Then we group by category so each row is a product category. Execute the query and we can get the sales units by day of week for all 19 categories. Therefore, in this solution, the CTE simplifies the logic, join, filter, and compute day of week in one place. The case plus some pattern lets you pivot rows into weekday columns without using the pivot operator. The final result is easy to read and matches the business question. Solution 2. CTE plus join plus pivot. The second solution uses a pivot. Some people find this cleaner. The first CTE is same as in the solution 1. It extracts category, shipped quantity, and day of week. In CTE 1, group by category and day of week to get totals. Finally, we pivot the rows into columns, one for each weekday. This eliminates the need for multiple case statements, making the code cleaner when you have many columns. Both solutions give the same result. Solution 1 is more explicit and easy to understand for beginners. Solution 2 is more elegant but requires knowing how to use pivot. In real-world SQL work, you might pick one over the other depending on your team's familiarity and the complexity of the query. And that's it. We've built a full SQL solution to report sales by day of the week for each category in January 2024. You now know how to do this using either case with aggregation or pivot. In next video, where we'll continue exploring advanced SQL questions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.